I bet you didn't know mastering CFD for clean water systems could be this accessible. Let's transform your skills with ANSYS CFD's comprehensive training package. Imagine mastering 7 different clean water CFD projects, all in one go. With Mr. CFD's Clean Water Simulation Training Package, you get hands-on experience with HDH, water distillers, solar stills, reverse osmosis, and more. Why choose us? Our package includes detailed geometry and mesh files, comprehensive ANSYS Fluent training videos, and expert support via email, online chat, or WhatsApp. Whether you're a student or a professional, this package is designed to fit your needs. And the best part, it's now available for just $269, down from $1,620. Ready to get started? Click Add to Cart, or contact our experts for a consultation. Check out our free products to see the quality of our services. Transform your CFD skills today with ANSYS CFD. Your future in clean water technology starts here.